Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. So Gail, what are we going to make today?
Today we're going to be making pencil toppers. A lot of people are going back to school, and school might be in school or at home, but no matter where you are, you'll probably need a pencil.
All right, I like your fish.
Thank you.
I made a pencil topper that also can serve as a fidget tool, and I use pipe cleaner and beads.
Nice. I love it.
Thank you. So before we begin, we're going to start with a warm-up to get our hands and fingers ready for writing. So if you're able, you can join us in our hand warm-ups. So the first one is called a crab claw. So we're going to hold your hand up and you're going to curl your pinky finger and ring finger down. So you have these three fingers up, and these are the fingers you use to hold a pencil. So we're going to open and close like a crab.
Okay.
Okay, then the next one, you're going to put one palm up, the other palm down, and you're going to hook your fingers together and pull. Pull against each finger. And then you're going to switch and go the other way and pull. And then last one, hands together, palms together, and push real hard. And while you're doing that, you can take a couple deep breaths. And shake your hands out. And now we're ready to hold our pencil and make our craft.
Great. That feels really good. So I'm going to show you what you're going to need today. You're going to need pencils, some paper, some googly eyes or markers, some glue or tape, some beads, and a pipe cleaner.
All right.
Do you want me to show you the way I did mine first?
Yes, I'd love to see how to make it.
Okay, so for my next one, I decided to make a turtle. So I already cut him out, or her out. And what would you like to make?
So I pre-cut a cat shape, a cat face.
Okay, good. So the first thing you can do is decorate it.
Okay.
I'm going to, in this one, I did use a googly eye, but in my next one, I'm going to use markers.
All right, so I can like put a face on my cat.
Yep, anything you want. Also, one thing that I did on this one is I cut strips from paper and glued those on too.
Kind of makes your pencil look fun.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to show you while you're working on your cat. Here's how I did my turtle for this one. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to fold your animal or whatever shape you made in half. Okay, and I'm going to demonstrate with a bigger piece of paper how to do this next part. You're going to take a scissors, and if you need help using your scissors, please ask someone. And I'm going to cut one cut and two cuts. Okay, and that's going to give you the space to put your pencil through.
So it's just little cuts.
Yes. And then you should have a little hole, and you can slide your pencil right through it.
Cool.
There you go. And if it doesn't stick well, you can just put some tape on the back. This one is holding just fine. So now I have a turtle and you have a cat. And another fun thing is even if you don't want to use it as a pencil, you can use it as puppets, which is fun.
Good idea.
Thanks.
All right, do you want to learn how to do my fidget pencil topper?
Yes.
All right, so first you want to start with a pipe cleaner and just put some beads on it.
Okay. I already put a few on. I'm going to do a couple more.
Okay. And really, you can kind of do this however you want. Like I just kind of fooled around with it.
Okay.
And then after you get a couple beads on, just take your pipe cleaner and wrap it around a little bit. And then you can kind of make a shape with it if you want and wrap it around and then put some more beads on it.
And Peggy, if you don't have beads, you can still do this craft, right?
Exactly. And you can use beads, or if you, like you said, if you don't have beads, you can just also just wrap pipe cleaners funny ways on the pencil. So I just kind of did some curly ones, and can also do like a heart shape. So
Great.
then just
Bingo.
put the beads on and then wrap the pipe cleaner.
All right. I love it. And so this
And
will,
then you can fidget with the beads
yeah.
if you want, so it can be a fidget tool. And the other thing, if you slide it down to where the pencil point is, it can help you keep your fingers on the pencil where they should go.
Wow. That's a great idea. Thank you. I love it.
All right, that was fun.
Really fun.
So we hope you enjoyed our craft video today and that you have some nice pencils that you can use to do your work.
Yes. And if you'd like to watch more of our craft videos, you can go to our website, www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Have fun.